All right, welcome to Coin Crypto Money Guru, and today we will start our video with the positive, very positive news in for the crypto market because yes, we have a competitor right now. We have a big competitor right now against the China. Yes, as last few weeks, you saw a news that China stopped the cryptocurrency mining, China stopped the crypto investments and something like that. But right now we have a big market, big competitor market with similar numbers. India is a huge market. India is a big market for cryptocurrencies because India have 1.35 billion people living there, and that is youngest nation. Mostly their people are young. China is aging right now. And India's central bank RBI confirms crypto banking ban no longer valid, asks banks to stop quoting it. You can see what is the market, what will be the future of crypto, because when 1.3 more than 1.35 billion people will come to the market, a new market, then the crypto market will explode very soon. And another, we have a very big news. You already hear that USA USA President Biden have given a $6 trillion stimulation package, and as those $6 trillion will come into the US market, then some of them that money will come to cryptocurrencies also. And what a boom will give this, what a boom will get this our crypto market from this news. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, India's new positive news, and $6 trillion stimulation package. And now I am first we will talk about our current market, crypto market. Then we will talk about the very good altcoin, because now will be the time of altcoins. And right now our market is 1.64 trillion and already 8.40%, 42% upside. And our beloved king coin is at 36,771 US dollar. Ethereum right now 2,637, and Cardano is 1.71 dollar. And the market will go upside as per my price prediction. Market will go up because we now more and more positive news are coming. 6 trillion package, India announces that no longer ban, RBI announces. And now we will analyze a big opportunity, altcoin with very low market cap and low price, which is very undervalued right now, and it is in the market from last 5 or 6 years. So you can see that what will be the future if you will get that, if you will get success to pick that altcoin at the right time. Because when you see like this, you think like, if you are watching this, you are seeing this price at 1.71 Cardano price. But when you remember those days when it was available around 2 cent, 6 cent, 16 cent, 9 cent, at this time last year, right, last year in May it was available at 5 or 6 cent, only 5 or 6 cent. Then if you imagine, if you pick that, if you were able to catch this price with huge numbers, maybe if you were able to buy let's say 100,000 at that time, then what money you would have at right now. So the similar opportunity I am telling you right now, which may give you future result, future good future for long time investment. But it's your money. I'm not a financial advisor. I love to give best to best information to you, but it's your decision, you want to invest or not. It's your decision, your money, your risk will be. And crypto market is very volatile, high risk market. So and to try to enter at the right time, right price point, and try to get good crypto assets with good team, good projects, good vision. So that is Verge. Yes, XVG Verge. Right now its price is around 2.5 cent, more than 2.5 cent we can say, and it's on coin market cap, it's on 118 rank, more than 100,000 people's watch list. And from the it is available in, it is present in the market from the around 2015, and most very undervalued coin right now. It's a blockchain, very undervalued coin. You can see it's a mineable multiple algorithm medium of exchange privacy. And as few billions will come in this coin, many other developments are going on in this coin, in this crypto asset. As all developments will fulfill, you will see completed, then you will see that what will be the price of. And I will tell you my price prediction in the last of this video about this best crypto asset. And first we will we must analyze it, why you must invest it as per my view, but your decision, make your own decision. First thing is, it's on more than 100,000 people's watch list, available in the market from 2015, and rank is 118, price is around more than 2.5 cent near about, and already it is listed on biggest crypto exchanges like Binance, Bittrex, Gate.io, and more than it is available on 45 markets. It is available, and pair is, you can see XVG USDT, it is available. XVG USDT, it is available in many exchanges. For XVG BUSDT, it is available in many exchanges for good liquidity. And now come to the main point is, this is their website, a secure and user-friendly digital currency, a digital currency designed for everyday use. Okay, Verge provides a security of blockchain-based payment to everyday users with the easy to use software tailored to real life needs and applications. Everyday Verge provides an easy to use platform which enables everyday users to be able to transact quickly and efficiently across the blockchain based network. Mass adoption, low fees, quick transaction, high volume in circulation, and multi-platform sports are the ingredients that make Verge perfectly positioned for mass adoption. So how many wallets they have? You can see Apple Wallet, Qt Window Wallet, my Verge Window Wallet, my Verge Linux Snap, my Linux to Electrum Wallet, Android Wallet. How many wallet? Window to Electrum Wallet, Qt Wallet, Linux Paper Wallet. How many wallets they already have? So to store this good cryptocurrency. And now come to our mission. Minded Greeks and following partners: Mind Greeks, Change, Now Payments, Mobile Pay. How many partners they have? You can see. Mission supporter they have. And now come to their community. What a community they have already built. And when everything will be in positive market, again people will come to retail investor will come to the blockchain industries, crypto investments, like from biggest populate country like India. Then you will see what will be the future. And now come to their YouTube channel. They have more than 6 120 YouTube followers, subscribers we can say. And now we can see that Verge Reddit community is more than 54,200, and now their Twitter followers, they have more than 316,000 they already have. And now their Telegram member are more than 14,000. Their Facebook followers are more than 30,000 people. And now this is that detailed analysis I already have done, created a list for you. It is listed on Binance, Bittrex, Gate.io, KuCoin, Hubex, Hubei Global, Bitfinex, HitBTC, yes, USDT pair it have. And the watch list I already showed you, and more than 100,000. And Twitter follower, they already have big number of Twitter for Facebook follower. Telegram rank, it's right now current rank is around 118. And price it is available at 2.6. And when I created this list, then its price was around 6 cents, but right now it's available at very low price, very attractive price. Mineable, yes. And XVG is its ticker. And yes. And what we more want to know, that its current price. Now what you want to know more. Yes, I know that. What are you waiting for? My price prediction for Verge. My price prediction for Verge is around 20 cent to 25 cent. It may go to 20 cent to 25 cent. It means if you invest right now at the right time, your money will around 8 to 9 times. But if everything will be in right direction, like our beloved coin in upper mode, in positive mode, green mode, the 6 trillion money will come at the right time in the US market. India already have announced that no any ban right now on the crypto exchanges or anything else in transaction for cryptocurrencies. And what I tell you more. Yes, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, share the video, hit the like button, make a comment, share the video with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, so they Pinterest, blogs, YouTube channels, so they come to know about a very good crypto assets for long time holding to make long time money and good money, because it's available at a very attractive price point. And thank you, Alvida. Please share the video. Bye bye.